Thinking about buying a bike cassette, but not sure which one is the best for your ride? With so many options available, from the Shimano Alivio HG400 to GOLDIX MTB and Road Cassettes, it can be difficult to choose the right one. Some riders prioritize smooth shifting, others want lightweight performance, while many are looking for the best value for their money. In today's video, I've researched and analyzed customer reviews, product features, and real-world performance to bring you the top 5 best bike cassettes of 2026. Whether you're upgrading your mountain bike, road bike, or building a high-performance drivetrain, this guide will help you find the perfect cassette for your cycling needs. Make sure to watch until the end, because the number 1 pick might be the perfect upgrade for your bike. Item number 5. Upgrade your bike with the Shimano Alivio HG400-9 cassette. Built for smooth, reliable shifting and long-lasting performance. Designed for 9-speed Shimano HG drivetrains, it comes in 11 to 25T, 11 to 28T, 11 to 32T, 11 to 34T, and 11 to 36T options to match everything from fast road riding to steep mountain climbs. Its durable alloy construction provides excellent strength and consistent gear changes, while the lightweight design, at around 430 grams, helps maintain efficient performance. If you're looking for a trusted, high-quality cassette that delivers durability, precision, and outstanding value, the Shimano HG400-9 is an excellent upgrade for your bike. Item number 4. The GOLDIX Ultralight MTB Cassette is a high-performance upgrade for riders who demand smooth shifting, durability, and climbing power. Made from premium carbon steel with a wear-resistant phosphating finish, it delivers excellent strength and corrosion resistance. Compatible with Shimano HG HyperGlide freehub bodies, it supports 9 to 13-speed drivetrains with gear options from 11T to 52T, making it perfect for trail riding, steep climbs, and everyday adventures. If you want reliable performance, wide gear range, and outstanding value, the GOLDIX MTB Cassette is an excellent choice for upgrading your mountain bike drivetrain. Item number 3. The GOLDIX Ultralight CNC Road Bike Cassette is designed for cyclists who want faster, smoother, and more efficient performance. Built from a premium steel and aluminum construction, it combines exceptional durability with an ultralight weight of just 210 to 238 grams. Compatible with Shimano HyperGlide and SRAM HG systems, it supports 11-speed and 12-speed drivetrains with 28T, 32T, 34T, and 36T gear options. Precision CNC machining ensures quick, reliable shifting and improved power transfer, making it an excellent choice for road racing, endurance rides, and riders looking to upgrade their drivetrain with lightweight performance. Item number 2. The GOLDIX Ultralight Road Cassette is a premium choice for riders seeking lightweight performance and smooth, precise shifting. Designed for 11-speed and 12-speed drivetrains, it features a durable, CNC, hollow-out aluminum construction that reduces weight without sacrificing strength. Compatible with the Shimano HyperGlide HG system, it is available in 28T, 32T, 34T, and 36T options to match different riding styles and terrains. Whether you're racing, climbing, or enjoying long-distance road rides, this cassette delivers reliable gear changes, improved pedaling efficiency, and exceptional value for upgrading your road bike drivetrain. Item number 1. The ZTTO Ultralight 11-speed road bike cassette is built for riders who want maximum performance with minimal weight. Crafted from a premium steel and aluminum combination, it weighs just 107 to 140 grams, making it an excellent upgrade for speed and efficiency. Designed for Shimano HG-compatible road bikes, it comes in 28T, 30T, 32T, 34T, and 36T gear options to suit everything from fast sprints to challenging climbs. With smooth, precise shifting, durable construction, and eye-catching color options, the ZTTO cassette offers exceptional value for cyclists looking to enhance their road bike performance.